Hey there, this is Paul Mosenson, founder of NewSpark Media Group and GainForge.AI, of my suite of 250 plus marketing and sales AI tools to help companies grow. And this is an intricate one, but one that we talk about a lot in business circles is go-to-market strategies. There's a bunch out there, and this is how I did it with my chat GPT. So my custom GPT go-to-market strategy planner. Let's see how it works. There's a lot of questions you can ask. Let's just see what happens if I start first. Let's start. And you'll see how I program this. And we may have to make some things up, of course, because there's a lot of questions you're going to ask, right? This is what it's going to do. It's going to review the product service, your target market, competitive landscape, pricing strategy, marketing channels, sales strategy, timeline, milestones, key performance indicators, and budget allocation. And so what's going to happen is we'll start with a product or service, and then we can create an example for a specific industry because there's a lot of work here and you got to see how it works. So we're going to do an example. And I think because we're mostly B2B here, let's just say we'll go with number 2, and we're going to say a SaaS product. How about that? And let's see what's out there. Let's just do something that we'll make up a little bit, but let's just say it's an email outreach tool that combines LinkedIn outreach as well as lead magnet promotion for opt-ins with goal to make appointments or demos. That's our example. So here we go. And it's going to make it up. I made this up. It's an email outreach tool with LinkedIn, right? And then it's going to make up a company. We call it Outreach Sync. Very interesting. I like that. And it describes it. Now, again, this is a video demo, so I'm not going to read everything. You can always pause the video and read it, and then press play again. So it goes through all the features it has, unique selling proposition. Again, it's going to ask questions if it goes with your vision. If not, you can give more details. You can refine it. That's the beauty of AI. It's a starting point. It's ideation. So we have this, and then you can customize it. It'll keep having a conversation with you. This is the way I build it with all these different topics. We have the target market and audience. Again, we'll do one thing at a time. Let's define your ICP. Who's your target? And again, it's going to keep asking those questions. So I'm just going to say sample because of what we have here. So we'll do it one thing at a time, and it's going to come up with the target audience, industries, roles and personas, which makes sense. Key audience pain points of what they're dealing with right now, low response, managing multiple channels, lead gen challenges, time consuming, all of these things that this SaaS product will help with. Here are some audience segments of what they're looking for. Small team scaling fast, agencies serving multiple clients, growth-oriented startups, geographic focus. Again, this is just examples now. We can tweak it as much as we want based on our actual product. And then it's going to go, let's go to the next step. This is going to be a longer video. We're going to keep going next but I just wanted to show you what it does. And I programmed everything myself, like in all the other 250 on GainForge.AI. So again, this is, we have key competitors based on what AI has given us. Makes sense. We have gaps in their offerings. See, we lead magnet promotion. Nobody does that. That's what I focus on. Product's unique advantages. Positioning statement. Now we're going to explore pricing strategies. So we'll go, like I said, we can always go deeper in all these different topics. Again, this is a demo. So we'll go next. Every time we hit a section, we'll go next and show you what happens. Sample pricing strategy. Freemium, because remember, it's a SaaS thing or tiered pricing. And I actually have it set up to do an example pricing tier here. See that? Because it's a SaaS product. Like that. And do some add-ons. Discounts and incentives. revenue optimization strategies. So I programmed all of this because it's a SaaS product. Okay, so that's pricing. Again, this is just an example, and again, you can always edit it. Let's move on to the next section. Marketing channel planning. Content marketing. Paid ads. Here's pay-per-click. LinkedIn ads. Retargeting. Social media marketing. YouTube. Email marketing. We have affiliates up here. Partner marketing and affiliates. Webinars and demos. Forums. Things like that. Channel prioritization, right? High ROI, short term. Mid-term growth channels like SEO and content, affiliate. Long-term brand building, of course. Okay, now let's move on. Next. Sales strategy. Step 6. Again, we're building a sample go-to-market plan based on inputs. Again, we're using this as an example to show you what gets done so you can do it on your own and build a robust plan depending on what business category you're in. Sales team structure, inbound sales, SDRs, account executives, customer success team because it is SaaS, onboarding, all those kinds of things. Coming up with the outbound sales strategy, came up with that. Again, it's all about ideation and tweaking it, but at least how I built this out of my heart and passion is to make this thing work for most any company. Again, this is a B2B SaaS company, so it's a little bit different than longer buying cycle B2B or B2C for that matter. Key metrics. Okay, let's keep going here in this example. Prospect timeline, milestones, and then we'll do KPIs. So again, this is just an example. If you have a pitch deck or any kind of timeline, we estimate it. But again, we're showing the process of building a go-to-market plan. What should be included. Here's the launch in 1 month. Launch officially, focus on onboarding, announce everything, start doing your paid ads. You want to get feedback, of course, if you get early customers, you got to get reviews and referrals. That's very important, right? Start building the SEO, outbound sales campaigns. Again, you want to hear from your customers because you're a new program and you get user feedback, things like that. Scale affiliate marketing efforts. And then you have key milestones: pre-launch, launch, post-launch. Okay, so we're almost done. Let's go to the next category, which is KPIs for success. Again, because it's SaaS, we're going to customize it based on SaaS language, free plan signups, CPA formulas, free to paid conversion rates. You have a benchmark here, demo to customer conversion rates, formula, our goals, engagement rates, activation. You just have to study all of this. Revenue metrics, MRR, average revenue per user, of course, retention rate, what's your churn rate, I have all the formulas here, customer lifetime value, need to have all that. Marketing metrics, website conversion rate, email performance, paid ad performance, net promoter score over time, customer satisfaction, customer support satisfaction. All these things are important, right? Okay, now we're going to go to budget. Again, there's lots of things here, and with AI, I program it, you can always go back and forth with it and have discussion. Tweak, tweak, tweak. But this is an example of a budget. So we have budgets for, of course, paid media. Let's finish it up. We're almost done here. You can see what's up here. Product development and maintenance, marketing allocations, content, paid ads, social media, email, sales enablement, customer support, miscellaneous, ROI for launch budget, free signups, conversion to paid plans, revenue projections, all those kinds of things. Okay, now we're going to do the next, which is the summary. Here it is for the SaaS email LinkedIn integration tool called OutSync. It'll just go over everything we just did as a summary. And again, we can ask it to get more details. Here's sales strategy, project timeline, KPIs, budget allocation, and next steps. And so that's how it works. It's kind of a basic, and this is a great starting point for you to think about your own products and things to consider when you start putting a go-to-market strategy. And so that's it. So we go all the way back to the top and say, again, here's a summary of everything we're looking at till we get to the summary. Go-to-market strategy on ChatGPT from GainForge.AI, and thanks for watching.